In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect 1688 to Shopify. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To do this, you'll need to download a specific application. The one I recommend is ZQ Dropshipping. From your Shopify dashboard, click on Add Apps to open the Shopify App Store. Now, there are several apps that can help with this process, but ZQ Dropshipping is the best choice for beginners. It doesn't require any setup fee or monthly fee, and it's easy to use. Other apps may have additional features, but often require a paid subscription. It's up to you which one you prefer. Once you've chosen, click on Install and then open the app. Agree to terms and conditions and proceed next. After installation, you'll be redirected to the ZQ Dropshipping dashboard. Here, you can search for products not only on 1688, but also on AliExpress, eBay, and other platforms. To use 1688 specifically, you'll need to install the ZQ Dropshipping browser plugin. Once that's done, to complete the setup, you'll also need to connect your Shopify store to your ZQ Dropshipping account, which can be done from the menu. Once connected, you'll be able to manage everything directly from the ZQ dashboard. Whenever you browse products on 1688, you can simply click on the list option. This allows you to add those products directly to your Shopify store. Inside the ZQ dashboard, you can review details like pricing, product variations, images, and descriptions before publishing them to your store. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can connect 1688 to Shopify and start importing products with ease. If you don't already have a Shopify account, click the link in the description to register. You'll get 3 months for just $1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.